Ethel Chamomile here. Okay, so in this tutorial we are going to make the score system. To do that, we are going to open the score script. Okay, so over here I already put the public static high score, public static int high score. What I'm gonna do here now is I'm gonna make a property static in underscore score equals 0. So I created another in property name underscore score, and I will change this score into a property. So you see, a variable can both be get and set, right? But we can actually use property to call a certain function whenever the variable get and set. So if we get, we're just gonna return underscore score. But when we set, we are going to assign the score the value, right? The value that is being set, but also we're gonna check if value more than high score, then high score equals value. So whenever we assign a number to score, it will check if the number is higher than high score, then the high score will be updated. Now over here, just gonna high score text. I just gonna put the assign the text, and down here it is high score text dot text equals high score dot toString. There you go. Now we go back to Unity. And over here we have the score already, right? I'm just gonna remove the score script from that and create another empty object called scores, just to group these two, and by two I mean score and its duplicate. I'ma call it high score. Put this down here, maybe make it yellow. There you go. And then in scores, I'm gonna put the score function, a score script, and assign the text accordingly. Don't forget to save. Now I also noticed another bug that I found. Previously, if we in the pause control, when we go back to main menu, the time scale is still 0. We want that to turn into 1, so just copy this line, time scale equals 1, and put it on top of load scene in back to main menu function, and it should fix the bug. Okay, so back to the game. We are going to open the main menu, and I'm just gonna pause that, save the game, and play. Oh, as you can see here, the score stays, right? And if I quit, the score still stays, the high score I mean. But if I close the game, the high score goes back to 0. Right. Right. So that's it for the score system. Basically, what we do was we just use a static integer to store the high score. So it doesn't matter if we are in the main menu or we are starting a new game. The high score will stay until we close the game and restart it. And to solve that, we are going to need a save system. And so that is what we're gonna do next. We are going to create a save system to store our high score. With that, that's it for this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching, and leave a like and subscribe if you like the video, and see you next time. Bye bye.